Okay, so I know it's uploaded about like the podcast, but today I'm actually gonna be making a rainbow one. I mean a golden one. Boom. Bop. Boom. Golden Pogcat! Yo, it's actually so OP. Golden Pogcat is so OP. I have the Pog Dragon as well. Yo, that's nice. It's not as good as the Anglus pet. But the Mortis pet is like probably the best pet in the game now because like its space stat is 20 mil, around 20 mil, and the Anglus was only 18 million. So yeah, that's all for today. New update on like the Pog thing. Bye.